Hello students, this is part 7 of quick revision series. The topic covered is how do organisms reproduce. Creation of DNA copying is the basic event of reproduction. But during DNA copying, there are errors, and these errors are the source of variations and which are very useful for survival of species. In unicellular organism like amoeba, reproduction takes place by binary fission, where it splits into two equal halves during cell division, and it can happen from any plane. While in leishmania, binary fission takes place in a definite orientation. In Plasmodium, it is caused by multiple fission. Leishmania causes Kala Azar, while Plasmodium causes malaria. In multicellular organisms with simple organization like Spirogyra, the reproduction is by fragmentation method. Planaria and Hydra, they reproduce by regeneration method. See how to cut pieces of planaria regenerate the lost part. Right part will regenerate its left part and left part will regenerate its right part. Rhizopus, also called as bread mold, reproduce by formation of spores. Spores are formed in sporangia, and sporangia are the reproductive part of Rhizopus, which develop on non-reproductive part hyphae. Hydra reproduce by budding as well as by regeneration. A bud is formed at specific site by repeated cell division. Then see the plants which reproduce by vegetative propagation, where vegetative parts like stem, root or leaf participate in the reproduction process. Now, what are bisexual and unisexual flowers? Flowers that contain both stamen and pistil, they are called as bisexual flower, example hibiscus and mustard, while the flowers that contain either stamen or pistil, they are called as unisexual flower, example papaya and watermelon. Flower is the reproductive part of the plant. Now, check answers of question number 21 to 24 and learn them. In question 25, note how meiosis helps in maintaining DNA amount in each generation. There are different parts of the flower and the functions performed by different parts. What is pollination? What is self-pollination? What is cross-pollination? And then see the diagram showing germination of pollen on stigma of a flower. Structure of seed which contains future embryo. Then this is the female reproductive system in humans. Also note that testes are located outside abdomen in humans to maintain the temperature lower than the body temperature, which is required for the formation of sperms. Note the role of testes, seminal vesicles and prostate glands in males, and role of ovary, oviduct and uterus in females. What is placenta and its function, and what happens when egg is fertilized and what happens when egg is not fertilized? Check their answers. Sexually transmitted diseases and advantages of using various contraceptive methods. There are 4 categories of contraceptive used to prevent unwanted pregnancies. Number 1, mechanical barriers such as condoms. Number 2, surgical method, where vas deferens is cut or tied in males and it is called as vasectomy, while fallopian tube is cut or tied in females, it is called as tubectomy. It is irreversible process. Number 3, chemical methods like pills, and number 4, copper tea. These two methods may have certain side effects also. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you so much.